Morning, everybody. Overcast today at the property. Oh man, what a beautiful, beautiful morning. Beautiful. Sharpening the chainsaw today. Try to get this thing working. Looks like I've been cutting Mother Earth with it. While I'm doing this, why don't you guys just enjoy nature? I think the last time I sharpened a chainsaw was 1980, early 80s. Building homes in the winter. Got tired of that and prayed to God that He'd get me out of it. He did. Got me in a big truck. Got me in the office behind a computer for many, many years. Then I begged to God, please, Father, get me out of here. And He did. He got me back here again. Now that I can appreciate it more. And it sure is beautiful out here, people. Let me show you a trick on sharpening a blade. You gotta remember when you do it, you gotta lift up on this blade, this tooth right here. Get it nice, but then you gotta lift up and then go at an angle. If you don't, then you're not getting the whole tooth. I think I got them all. I don't try to not do it too much either. Maybe get another chance. Have an extra one laying around. Really sharpened. I gotta flip my bar upside down here pretty soon. The reason why you flip your bar upside down, the bar will last longer. Let's see, get those other backside of that teeth so I can make sure it lifts. She's pretty short. Well, next week we're all supposed to get some torrential rains. Hopefully I'll be able to get that washer in. Oh, let me show you what I did do. So we got the, I don't think there's a way to swap this thing around. So I can point the other way. Yeah, well, anyways, we'll go over here and take a look. I'm gonna build a home up here, and I'm gonna use these logs. And for the footers, I'm gonna go down 2 feet, pour a form, and on top of that, I call those Burt tubes. Out here they call them pillars. It's a round cardboard, and they come in different sizes: 8 inches, 16, 12, 16, 24. So it's going to be 42 feet long by 24 feet wide. And here. Say hey, baby girl. Say hey, baby girl. That girl will walk through your food at home. She don't care. Stringer line, she'll trip all over it. She don't care. But I already got the centers marked. Then it'll come through 2 foot with rebar sticking so far up, depending on the height when I shoot it with a transit. Come around. Now you gotta ask yourself, well, how'd you square that thing off? Well, from the center, 3 foot to the left, which is right there. And then you come around and you mark 4 foot, and between that one and that 3 foot, it should equal 5 feet. I did that for all 4 corners. Now you can also go diagonal as an X and see how close you are that way. But I got the 4 corners and they're exactly 5 feet. So anyways, I got to get back here and I got to get this Grandberg stabbing rail system on here and see if this chainsaw will cut through here. I should have got a 20-inch bar. I imagine I can put a 20-inch bar on this steel I've got. I've got a what size is this thing? MS 250. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna go and put this together and see how it works. God bless. Man, except for that jet. Read your book. God loves you. He's coming. Take off your damn mask.